Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to delete margins in Microsoft Word document. So as we can see, every page has this margin, and in case you want to remove and delete these margins in top, bottom, left or right, so click on this layout tab, and here in the first option you will see margins. Click here, then click on custom margins and make here 0. Then click on OK. So you can see like this we can remove and delete margins. Now every page has 0 margin. And if you want to add margins, so click here and select any option like normal. Again I will show you to remove margins. Click on this layout, then margins, custom margins, and make 0 in top, left, bottom and right. Also you can set as a default this setting. So click here, click on yes. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.